Hello friends, welcome to this new video. In this video, we will learn about the Xoriant technical interview experience and HR interview experience that I had in approximately 5 to 4 months ago, in which I have cleared the both the technical uh, interview and HR interview. So without wasting much time, let's start with the questions that were asked in the technical as well as HR interview. So you can see my screen where I have written in Notepad what are the different questions. So we will discuss one by one. So basically, the interview consists of two parts. The first one is technical interview and the second one is HR interview. So that in the technical interview, the first question they asked about the introduction. Introduce yourself. So I tell them about my name, family background, educational details, skills like Java, C++, DBMS, Python, etc., and hobbies like cooking or reading novels, etc. And the second question they asked about OOPS concepts like object-oriented programming. What are the pillars like encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, and their definition and some examples. And after that they ask some question about DBMS related to SQL queries, DDML, DML, TQL, and TCL. So DDL is basically data definition language like create, alter, drop. DML data manipulation language, insert, delete, update. DQL data query language like select, and TCL is transaction control language like we have commit and rollback. After that, they ask some question related to CSS, like what is CSS, what are the usage of CSS, why we use CSS, and what is selector. So there are three selectors in CSS: element selector, ID selector, and class selector. And they ask some syntax like how to write class selector, like it defaultly start with dot and element selector and ID selector also. After that, they asked what is HTML, like it is a scripting language, basically for browsers and to show some data in our browser screen. So what are the DOM document object model about HTML? Like we have first document type, each individual tag has their different meanings. They asked about it, like we have head tag, body tag, title tag, the whole structure they asked. And after that they ask about Java. What is Java? Java is a programming language. Basically it's an object oriented programming language. What are its feature? Like it is strong, robust, and it is independent from system specifications. We can use that is it is architecturally neutral. So I asked tell them about the features. Then they asked about bubble sort, difference between Java and C++, as both are object-oriented languages. But what are the differences? Like C++ support virtual keyword, friend function, multiple inheritance, and Java does not support them. After that, they ask some question related to data structure. What is data structure? Data structure is, and what are the types, linear and non-linear data structure? What are the examples of linear data structure like linked list, array, stack, and queue? And after that, non-linear data structure like trees and graphs. After that, they ask about the diamond problem in Java and C++. So what is the diamond problem? Diamond problem occurs when multiple inheritance occurs. So in case of Java, we cannot eliminate that. That's why we were not able to do multiple inheritance in Java, because there is no concept of virtual keyword. And in case of C++, we can do that. After that, they said that good, you have skills, and we close. After that, we close the conversation. In the second interview, which is related to HR interview, they basically checked my communication skill, like tell me about yourself. Why should we hire you? Are you willing to relocate? I said yes. and some scenario based question like in remote working environment, how will you manage with your team members and colleagues. And after that, they asked to, do you have any question for us? So I asked about the like what are the company's policy for remote work culture or hybrid work culture, and what are the upcoming projects, what are the technologies that the company will be offering for to work on. And that's all. After that, the interview was closed, and after 1 month I got my offer letter. And after that, there were an internship that was offered from the company, which is of 4 months. And that's all about my interview experience and getting an offer letter and internship from Xoriant Solutions Private Limited. Thank you, friends, for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you, friends. Please do share with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.